Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few, and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control electronic, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.